It will be important, and this is happening a lot of now, especially people not having a lot of cash. It's happening that there is a new concept that has been brought into the scene called reverse mortgage, equity release reverse mortgage, in which many people can apply for a mortgage against the property as a guarantee, and then they can start paying on the mortgage either when they die or when they sell. This is one of the things that is coming into effect. Anyway, what happens if you don't have a will? What is the situation? The situation is that you will have to leave your estates to your heirs, legitimate inheritors, which is directly your children. And it's divided in different thirds. So 1/3 will be living in equal parts to your children. Another third will be living also to your inheritors, to your children. But then you can choose how you want to distribute that part. And there is a third one that you got free disposition, that you can leave it to whomever you want. And the surviving spouse will have a lifetime on the property. So actually, the inheritors, the children, will not be able to rent or sell until the person who has the lifetime on the property dies. Right. So what is the difference? I'm going to pass that. So what is the difference between non-resident and residents? That the residents will get tax reliefs, and exemptions and reduction will be applied for residents. How you become a resident, or what is the difference between remaining resident or non-resident? The difference is you can become a resident, but you should be registered with the tax authorities for tax purposes. Even if you don't pay tax, and this is the confusion here, because some people think, well, if I'm registered with the tax agency, then I will have to pay tax. It's not like that. You don't have to pay tax if you are a pensioner, but still you have to make your declarations. You still need to do it. Another thing is you should be registered with your town hall in which your property is located. So if you've got a property in Benalmádena, you should be registered with the town hall of Benalmádena.
We got a number.
Yeah.
Is it HIC number as a call?
No, that's a different. That's the foreign identification number.
Yeah.
So then because that will be necessary for the exemptions or reduction for the inheritance tax. Now, all this, as I've said before, all these reductions and exemptions will be applied to residents, non-resident residents. Also, that your property in Spain must be your main residence here, and your inheritors, in order that they can benefit of the reduction and exemption, your inheritors, they have also to be residents in Spain.